Right. Okay, so the exercise we want to do is combine the blink with the button. So, we need to be smart. We can't just go ahead and do it because we want to combine the two. We don't want to do something else. So we know, at the moment, we know two things. We know that we have this circuit, we have the Arduino circuit, where we have, taking the button example, we have the ground, we have the resistor, then we have our button, and that connects to 5 volts. So for example here. So that's 5 volts, that's the ground. And we also know that this connects to pin 2. Yeah? We also know from the circuit that we did before that we're all standing on the ground, so we can take the ground from here, we can have our LED, we can have our resistor, and we can connect that to pin 9, for example. Yeah? So, that circuit is the button circuit. Maybe you should come here and that circuit is the LED circuit. Now, when you look at the code from the LED circuit, which is the blink circuit, we know that we set up the pin 9 and then we do, for example, on, off, and wait a few seconds. Okay, we've done that. So that we set aside. Next, when we look at the code for the button, we can see here, by looking at the details, that first we can specify the LED where there's going to be an output, and we can also specify a button pin where the button is going to be connected to. Now before, and we said it before, the LED number 13 is the built-in LED. We don't like that. We want a different LED. But no problem, we've done it so we can settle that. We can solve that. So in the setup functions, in the setup, so here I'm talking from the code for the button example. We have the LED pin, we set up the LED to pin number 9, for example, and the button pin we have it set for pin number 2, which is what we have in the example. We don't need to change that. So next it's going to read the button state, and if it's high, it's going to turn on the LED, and if it's low, it's going to turn down the LED. Okay? Turn on and turn off the LED. We know how to do that. We've done it before. So it's just a matter of making sure that the pin that we have here is the pin that we're using, which is pin number 9. You've done it. You've changed the pins. You have no problem with that. And as for the button, we know that it's connected to button number 2, which is what we have in the circuit. So it all works fine. When it comes to the circuit, this is what we have. From the button point of view, it goes from the ground to the resistor to the button and then to 5 volts, and there's an output to pin number 2, which is what we have in this example. From the LED point of view, we have the ground, the LED, the resistor, and pin 9, which is the circuit that we have in the blink example, which we know works. And when you combine this, we have it working together. For those of you who are a bit geeky, that's called a pull-down resistor. So that's the circuit, and you know how to do the code. You've done it before. Okay? Good luck. Hang on, let me tell you. You did it, but not everyone did it.